everybody, and welcome to Morzak EV, a channel dedicated to all things electric vehicles, electric vehicle charging and all related technologies. So in today's video, I just wanted to do a quick explanation of how to reset some manufacturers' MCBs, RCBOs, RCDs, RCCBs. Some of these are different names for the same things, but I do get a lot of phone calls for certain types of RCDs that we've installed and certain types of RCBOs where they can't automatically be reset by flicking the switch back up. You'll see in this demonstration in a minute, but there's not a fault, it's just the integral design of the safety device. So like, share and subscribe for all things electric vehicles and all related tech. And if you're buying a Tesla, make sure you check out our Tesla referral code to get 1,000 free supercharger miles. Now this is something that does catch a few people out because they'll phone me and say we can't actually reset it, there might be a problem. I'll say actually just try this first. So if you take a look at this demonstration here, you'll see we've got our tester on it to make it trip. It's tripped out, and the next thing you know, you can't actually just flick the switch back up. It actually feels a little bit loose. So what you have to do is click it down and then push it back up. And that's it, the safety device is reset. So I'll just show you again. The device is tripped, won't go back up. Click it down and then click it back up. And that's it, all sorted. So yeah, if you can't get it to reset, this is the first thing to try. So I hope that helps. If it does, give us a cheeky thumbs up on that video. Make sure you subscribe for notifications of future videos. If you're buying a Tesla, make sure you check out our Tesla referral code. In the meantime, thanks very much for watching.